Decorative foliage indoor plants enhance interiors with vibrant leaves, unique textures, and striking patterns. These plants improve air quality and create a refreshing atmosphere. Ideal for various lighting conditions, they bring natural elegance and charm to indoor spaces. Let's quickly explore the best decorative foliage indoor plants. Calathea orbifolia. This calathea is a stunning tropical houseplant known for its large, round, silvery green leaves with dark green stripes. Native to Bolivia, it thrives in warm, humid environments, making it an excellent choice for indoor spaces. This plant prefers indirect light, as direct sun can scorch its delicate foliage. It thrives in consistently moist, well-draining soil and benefits from regular misting to maintain humidity. Calathea orbifolia is non-toxic to pets, making it a safe option for homes with animals. It is also known for its air-purifying qualities, helping to improve indoor air quality. With proper care, including occasional fertilization and wiping its leaves to remove dust, this elegant plant adds a sophisticated touch to any home or office. Persian shield, Strobilans diurnus. This is a striking tropical plant known for its iridescent purple leaves with metallic silver and green accents. Native to Myanmar, it thrives in warm, humid conditions and can be grown both indoors and outdoors. As an indoor plant, it prefers bright, indirect light to maintain its vibrant color. Persian shield requires consistently moist, well-draining soil and benefits from occasional misting to increase humidity. Its bushy growth habit can be encouraged by pinching back the stems. While it is primarily grown for its stunning foliage, it may produce small, tubular purple flowers in ideal conditions. With proper care, Persian shield adds a dramatic and exotic touch to any home, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Rattlesnake Calathea, Goepertia insignis. This calathea is a striking tropical houseplant known for its long, wavy green leaves with dark green spots and deep purple undersides. Native to Brazil, it thrives in warm, humid environments and prefers bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can fade its vibrant patterns, so placing it in a shaded spot is ideal. This plant enjoys consistently moist, well-draining soil and benefits from high humidity, making it perfect for bathrooms or kitchens. Regular misting or using a humidifier helps maintain its health. Non-toxic to pets, it's a safe choice for homes with animals. With its unique foliage and air-purifying properties, the rattlesnake calathea adds a lively, decorative touch to any indoor space. Watermelon peperomia, Peperomia argyrea. This is a charming tropical houseplant named for its round, silvery green leaves with dark green stripes that resemble a watermelon rind. Native to South America, it thrives in warm, humid environments and prefers bright, indirect light. This compact plant grows well in well-draining soil and requires moderate watering, allowing the topsoil to dry out between waterings to prevent root rot. It enjoys high humidity but adapts well to typical indoor conditions. Watermelon peperomia is non-toxic to pets, making it a safe choice for households with animals. Its small size, low-maintenance care, and eye-catching foliage make it a popular decorative plant for desks, shelves, or tabletops, adding a fresh and unique touch to any indoor space. Prayer plant, Marantha leuconeura, is a stunning tropical houseplant known for its vibrant, patterned leaves and unique movement. Its oval-shaped leaves display striking green, red, and cream markings, and at night, they fold upward like hands in prayer. Native to Brazil, this plant thrives in warm, humid environments and prefers bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions. It requires consistently moist, well-draining soil and benefits from high humidity, making it ideal for bathrooms or kitchens. Regular misting or a pebble tray helps maintain moisture. Non-toxic to pets, the prayer plant is a safe and eye-catching choice for any home. With proper care, it adds a lush, lively touch to indoor spaces. Elephant ears plant, Alocasia, is a striking tropical plant known for its bold, dramatic foliage. With large, arrowhead-shaped leaves that often feature deep veins and glossy surfaces, it adds an exotic touch to any indoor space. Native to Southeast Asia, Alocasia thrives in warm, humid environments and prefers bright, indirect light. It requires well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings to prevent root rot. High humidity is essential for its health, making misting or a humidifier beneficial. While stunning, Alocasia is toxic to pets if ingested. With proper care, this plant grows rapidly and brings a lush, tropical feel to homes, making it a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts. Rake's begonia. Rake's begonia is a stunning ornamental houseplant prized for its colorful, textured foliage. Native to tropical regions, its asymmetrical leaves feature striking patterns in shades of green, silver, red, purple, and pink, often with ruffled or spiraled edges. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil kept consistently moist but not soggy. High humidity enhances its growth, making it ideal for terrariums or bathrooms. While primarily grown for its foliage, it may produce small, delicate flowers. Rake's begonias are sensitive to overwatering and cold drafts, but are relatively low maintenance when given proper care. However, they are toxic to pets. Their vibrant leaves make them a popular choice for adding a bold touch to indoor spaces. Caladium is a vibrant tropical plant known for its large, heart-shaped leaves with striking patterns in shades of pink, red, green, and white. Native to South America, particularly Brazil, it thrives in warm, humid environments. Caladiums prefer bright, indirect light, though some varieties can tolerate shade. They require well-draining soil and consistent moisture, but should not be overwatered to prevent root rot. As a seasonal grower, caladiums may go dormant in cooler months, losing their leaves before regrowing in spring. They are best suited for humid indoor spaces or shaded outdoor gardens. While stunning, caladiums are toxic to pets if ingested. With proper care, they bring a tropical, colorful flair to any space. Zebra plant, Aphelandra squarosa, is a striking tropical houseplant known for its glossy, dark green leaves with bold white veins, resembling zebra stripes. Native to Brazil, it thrives in warm, humid environments and prefers bright, indirect light. With proper care, it produces stunning golden yellow flower bracts that last several weeks. This plant requires consistently moist, well-draining soil and benefits from high humidity, making misting or a humidifier essential. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. Though slightly challenging to maintain due to its humidity needs, the zebra plant rewards with lush foliage and occasional blooms. It is non-toxic to pets, making it a safe and beautiful choice for indoor plant lovers. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema, is a popular, low-maintenance houseplant known for its attractive, variegated foliage in shades of green, silver, pink, or red. Native to tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, it thrives in warm, humid environments and adapts well to various indoor conditions. Chinese evergreen prefers low to bright indirect light, making it ideal for homes or offices with limited sunlight. It requires well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the topsoil to dry out between waterings to prevent root rot. This plant is also an excellent air purifier, helping to improve indoor air quality. While easy to care for, it is toxic to pets if ingested. With its resilience and vibrant foliage, Chinese evergreen is a stylish and practical indoor plant. Coleus, Plectranthus scutellarioides, is a vibrant, fast-growing plant prized for its striking, multicolored foliage. Its serrated leaves come in shades of green, red, pink, yellow, purple, and orange, often with intricate patterns. Native to Southeast Asia and Australia, Coleus thrives in bright, indirect light but can also adapt to partial shade. It prefers well-draining soil and regular watering, keeping the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Pinching back the stems encourages bushier growth and prevents legginess. While primarily grown for its foliage, Coleus can also produce small flowers, though many gardeners remove them to focus on leaf development. Though non-toxic to humans, it can be mildly toxic to pets. With its bold colors and easy care, Coleus is perfect for adding a lively touch to gardens or indoor spaces. Dump cane, Dieffenbachia, is a popular tropical houseplant known for its large, lush, variegated leaves in shades of green, white, and yellow. Native to Central and South America, it thrives in warm, humid conditions and prefers bright, indirect light, though it can tolerate lower light levels. This plant requires well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings to prevent root rot. Dump cane is toxic to pets and humans. Its sap can cause irritation and temporary speech loss if ingested, giving it its name. Despite this, it is a low-maintenance, air-purifying plant that adds a tropical touch to indoor spaces, making it a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts. Croton, Codium variegatum, is a vibrant, tropical houseplant known for its bold, multicolored foliage. Its thick, leathery leaves display striking shades of green, yellow, red, orange, and purple, often with unique variegation patterns. Native to Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands, Croton thrives in bright, indirect light, which enhances its vivid colors. It requires well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. High humidity and occasional misting help maintain its lush appearance. While stunning, Croton is toxic to pets and humans if ingested. With proper care, this plant adds a dramatic, tropical touch to indoor spaces, making it a favorite for those seeking bold, decorative foliage. Nerve plant, Fittonia, is a beautiful, low-growing tropical houseplant known for its delicate, veined foliage. Its small, oval leaves feature striking white, pink, or red veins against a deep green background, creating a vibrant contrast. Native to the rainforests of South America, it thrives in bright, indirect light and requires high humidity to maintain its lush appearance. Fittonia prefers moist, well-draining soil, but overwatering should be avoided to prevent root rot. It is sensitive to dry air and may faint when thirsty, quickly perking up after watering. Non-toxic to pets, it is safe for homes with animals. Compact and easy to grow in terrariums, hanging baskets, or desktops, the nerve plant adds a lively, decorative touch to any indoor space.